Task: to obtain colors and a color pattern on stainless steel using a 1060 4 nanometers Endurance 50-watt DIY galvo machine. Endurance DIY marking machine. Galvanometer RC1001 with a lens having a focal length of 163 mm and a working area of 112 mm by 112 mm. Maximum speed 8,000 mm per second. Changeable parameters for different colors on the plate surface. Focal length, fill density, overlap on repeat, temper colors, options. Power 35%, speed 40 mm per second, frequency 50 Hz. Pink yellow, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.013 mm. Number of repetitions 1. Gray-blue, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.023 mm. Number of repetitions 1. Blue, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.035 mm. Number of repetitions 2. Camel, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.043 mm. Number of repetitions 2. Lilac, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.013 mm. Number of repetitions 2. Lime, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.013 mm. Number of repetitions 3. Light green, speed 33 mm per second, power 30%, frequency 60 kHz. Fill density 0.03 mm. Number of repetitions 1. Dark purple, speed 50 mm per second, power 20%, frequency 50 kHz. Fill density 0.013 mm. Number of repetitions 4. The second task was to apply a pattern on a titanium plate using Endurance 50-watt DIY galvo machine. Original vector image. In the SCAD application, for each layer, the parameters given above were set. With the Endurance 50-watt DIY galvo machine, it is possible to obtain colors on titanium and stainless steel, as well as create color patterns on them. Music generated by the AVA service. Voice generated by Uberduck. Visit EnduranceLasers.com website and our online store.